And this is one of those cases, viewers, where people that hear this story go, oh no, is it a Muslim? What, oh no, is it another one? I don't know if they give the details, but let's see what's happened.
Developing news this afternoon, and police have shot dead a man after a police chase that followed a stabbing on the New South Wales mid-north coast. Early this morning, the man allegedly stabbed a woman and then threatened motorists with a knife before he was shot by police. Pictures on social media show the damage caused to nearby vehicles during the chase with police officers, and we'll have more on this developing story.
So that's him in the ute.
On 7.
Okay, so we'll just hold that there. Okay, viewers, so what I can tell you is this. New South Wales Police responded around 6:40 to 6:45 a.m. to a home on Heath Avenue in Tuncurry after reports of a home invasion. The man, believed to be aged around 41, not yet formally identified, was armed with a knife and a chainsaw. He allegedly stabbed a woman at the property. Her condition isn't detailed in initial reports, but she was injured. He then fled the scene, reportedly threatening motorists with a knife during the pursuit. Police pursued him. The vehicle he was in reportedly crashed on the Foster Bridge after driving through a sports ground. Officers deployed a taser multiple times, but the man ran towards an officer while armed. The officer then discharged his or her firearm, fatally shooting him. Police provided first aid at the scene, but he died before or upon paramedic arrival. A critical incident investigation is underway, led by the State Crime Command's Homicide Squad, independent detectives from outside the region. And New South Wales Police Northern Region Commander Assistant Commissioner David Waddell was scheduled to hold a media conference at Foster Police Station later that day. This appears to be a very recent event, same day reporting with coverage from sources including New South Wales Police official statements, ABC News, the Daily Mail Australia, the AustralianNews.com.au and others. No prior similar incidents in Foster matching this description show up in recent searches. The incident involved the stabbing of a woman and threats to the public before the fatal police shooting. And then we have police in America, let me just say that, come to check something out, and this is what they're confronted with, and this is Zoran Mandani's response to what happened.
And as you said, I spoke with the Tuncurry family and I visited Chavez in the hospital. There is no family should have to endure this kind of pain.
This is what happened. This is the mentality of this Zoran Mandani. Look at the guy down there, charging at the police with a knife. They're telling him not to do it, don't do it.
And as you said, I spoke with the Tuncurry.
And he got shot, but he's probably still alive.